the biggest trophy of all sports, the last marble standing games. And today, the hurdles makes a return to this town. The hurdles, you just go down the track to the finish. Top two in each team will advance until we get our winner. The colour balls hoping they have a good outing, and of course the ice chippers and snowballs wants a good result as well. Let's see who's winning. First heat, Thunderbolts, Black Panthers, Green Ducks and Team Primary. Oh, Black Panthers in front, Green Ducks in second place right now. Oh, Team Primary Thunderbolts in the crash on the inside, and Black Panthers will advance. Team Primary will advance with them, and they are the first teams to advance. Now we've got Pinkies, Sandstones, Snowballs, and Colourballs. Colourballs really need a good result sometimes. And they're advancing. Yes, they will. They will advance to the Sandstones, Snowballs. Well, there are Pinkies. The Pinkies were doing so well recently. And now they will get caught up. Team Horizon, Ice Chippers, Digital Boards, Boss Tigers. Here comes Team Horizon. And what? Ice Chips are fun. Team Horizon is not a man to win. And Team Horizon, they're out. Which means that someone can gain points on them now. Their name are called the Ice Chippers. All they need is 11, well, pretty much. All the best was they finish. They could take the lead here. Lizard Eyes, Melanina, Sailgazer Hornets. Sailgazer Punt. Hornets a second. And that's how it's going to stay. I think I know. And 12. So Team White will get 12, so that is 6 points, which will put them at 126. So a silver. They Ice Chippers need a silver to take the lead. But now we've got Colourballs, Disco Balls, Hornets, and Sandstones. Who's going to be the Waxon? Oh! Who did it? I think that's going to be the Hornets. Just barely though. So both of them. And Colourballs. So Hornets and Colourballs will advance. Disco Balls and Sandstones are out. Ice Chippers, they need to advance to do anything. But so what, they won't be. And they will not. Ice Chippers I'm gonna be out. We'll go 6. Team Primary 7s. And that is the end of the road for Ice Chippers. Team Horizons will still take the lead. But now, who will win the goal? Hornets, Black Panthers, Sailgaze, and Colourballs. And what? Black Panthers are no, Hornets are. And no one's gonna catch the Hornets. They win the goal from Colourballs. Sailgaze and Cern. And the Black Panthers fall, but Colourballs will win the gold. Oh no way! Oh no way! A mistake. I'm sorry. Hornets won the gold. My mistake. My mistake. Colourballs did not win the gold. It was the Hornets. Sorry to all the Hornets fans for mistaking that. But that's the hurdles. The next event will be the balance battle. Or next will be the showdown. So we'll see you for that. Well done to the Hornets, not the Colourballs.